I'm gonna try a wig on for the first time from Temu. One of these cheap wigs. I've never tried it before. Tie my hair back. Got myself a wig. Okay, brush it out a bit. My fingers. Looks nice, right? Rough style. Okay, let's give it a try. Cheap wigs at Temu. How do you even go back? Oh my goodness. Of course I'm gonna have this problem with my hair. Of course. Oh, too much hair, right? There's little clip things on here. So you take the clip off, I presume. And I'm gonna put it on the biggest size because it's not that I got a big head. It's that my hair, we all know. So there's the clips. Take it off and put it on the biggest one, I think. Oh, it was on the biggest one. Okay, never mind. I'll just put it back and we'll try it on again. Maybe the two buns aren't doing it, but I thought it would help. I'm gonna try a low bun. So all back as far as we can.
Please learn from my mistakes. First of all, don't just throw the wig on over your hair like a hoodie. Braid it down or at least flatten it.
Low bun. Okay, it's a bit better. Second attempt, trying on the wig. How many times does it take a curly haired girl to try on a wig? 2, right? Just 2. 3 if I have to, but 2 for now.
You're allowed to laugh now.
Wow. This is not easy. Man. Sheesh.
How about I tell you how not to put on a wig? Because clearly it's not working for me. Don't attach the wig from the back of your head and pull it over to the front. It just doesn't work. You've got to go from the front and then pull it backwards.
It doesn't look good, right? Let's try this. Okay, I'm stretching. It just won't. Oh my goodness. The hair. My hair is too much. How do you put wigs on, guys? Eesh. I am struggling. Are you meant to buy large wigs? I had no idea this was even a possibility. Am I just doing it wrong? Third time lucky, right? It does stretch. I tried a new technique from the front. Okay, instead of the back. I was doing it all wrong. Oh man, look at the hairs all in my face. Wow, this is warm. Hot, hot, hot. Sheesh. Oh yes. Wow, is this nice or what? Long strands. Haven't seen me with straight hair?
Another big mistake I made was I didn't put a wig cap. Wig caps are actually very important. They save your edges, save your scalp, and save time. And please don't just slap it on and go. Don't rush this alignment. You don't want a crooked wig with lace halfway down your forehead or half back. You look a bit bald. You know what I'm talking about. Align your parting, bring down the bangs. If you have bangs, check your ear tabs. Please, just center yourself, okay? It is important. Now save your wig, you save yourself. Follow for more wig wins and less wig fails, like what I've done.
I finally did it!
It only took me 100 attempts, but I persevered.
Now don't forget to use my code now. While there's a sale and some discounts, Temu, of course, have sponsored this video. Of course, I got this as an influencer, but you know what? I'm actually showing you what I like. I order what I want. They don't pick or tell me what I should choose. I pick it for myself and I show you how it actually looks. So if you're debating whether Temu is for you, whether you should order something from them or not, this is your sign. It actually is worth it. Obviously, you need to pick the right things. If you don't pick the right things, that's your problem, not mine. But if you know how to pick the right things, use my code now and you can get a discount on everything. Everything I'm wearing is Temu related. I got it off Temu. If you use my code now, you can get a discount. And if you're a first time buyer, you can get £100 off your first shop. Don't tell anyone I told you that, by the way. But yes, for you today. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Charlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Charlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.